The horned lizard, also known as the horned toad or horny toad, due to its flattened body covered in horns and spines, is between 2.5 to 6 inches long, with a yellow, gray, red, brown color depending on its environment. They live in arid regions of North and Central America and feed mainly on harvester ants that have the occasional grasshopper, beetle, or spider. They do not chase these insects down, but rather go to their shelter and wait for them to get close enough to lap up with its sticky tongue. Horned lizards have 7 species that are oviparous, egg-laying, and 6 species that are viviparous, give birth to live young. Since they are reptiles, they depend on the environment to control their body temperature. To stay warm, they have to bask in the sun to open to predators. While the horned lizard has several prey, itself is prey to hawks, snakes, and multiple canids such as dogs, wolves, and coyotes. To protect themselves, they have 3 different methods they can use. The first is the camouflage body armor they are covered in. The spiny scales that cover the horned lizard makes it painful for some animals to eat, which sometimes deters the predators. If the spiny scales do not work, then they try to make themselves look as big as possible by puffing up their body to about twice their normal size, essentially making themselves a spiny balloon. If the predator still pursues the horned lizard, then the lizard resorts to its last option, shooting blood from its eyes. The blood is drained from the head and causes immense pressure behind the eyes and the capillaries. The capillaries break and the blood is squirted from the ducts in the corner of the eyes, and it can spray up to 5 feet, with the horned lizard controlling the direction of spray, preferably towards the eyes or the mouth of the predator. The horned lizard, using its last defensive mechanism, can use up to 1/3 of its blood supply protecting itself. This is meant to confuse predators, but canids find the chemical that's already in the blood repulsive and is enough to make them not pursue the lizard anymore and to give up. With its weird defense techniques, the lizard has won this battle and now waits for more ants.